Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and today we'll be doing this module, that is CPQ Specialist Certification Maintenance Spring 24. So if you have already done this certification, that is CPQ Specialist, and it is maintenance due, you can check that on your Trailhead profile. You will be seeing that complete maintenance button over there, and then after clicking on that you can see this module. If not, you can directly access the link in the description of this video. So let's get started on this. We have only one unit in this, that is maintain your CPQ specialist certification for spring 24. So there are some features which got changed. We will go on about it very briefly. So first is use Omni Studio features with Salesforce CPQ Plus. So it is available from summer 23 version or release. We can say that all the Omni Studio features, that is Omni Studio Flex Card, Omni Scripts, data raptors, which are renamed as data mappers, and integration procedures are now available to use with Salesforce CPQ Plus. And then we have that we can create code template using Omni Studio document generation as well. So we can have a Microsoft Word document file with the language and formatting whichever we want, and the drop in the tokens, upload that file, and map the tokens with the Salesforce field. So using that we'll be able to generate the document. Then we have minimize security vulnerabilities in code term editor with LWC rich text editor. So earlier the code term editor page used with some other editor, that is a CK editor, but now we have replaced it with the Lightning Web Component Rich Text Editor, so which allows us to have it integrate with Salesforce platform very smoothly. Then we have work without web codes in Salesforce CPQ. So we can no longer edit or generate our documents from web codes. We can use the CPQ code to generate the documents, and on records we can edit the code lines or generate the documents. And then we have covering an entire bundle with a percent of total product. So for covering the bundle parent we have package, and if we want to cover only other options on the same level we can use components. If we want to cover the bundle parent and other options on the same level, then we can use both package and components. And if we want to cover the entire bundle configuration including all parent and child bundles, then we can use entire hierarchy. So let's come to the quiz. Our first question is, which license is needed to use Omni Studio features with CPQ? So first option is standard CPQ license. No. Second is CPQ plus license. Yes. Third is Salesforce user license. No. Fourth is Salesforce contract. So B option should be the correct one. That is, we need CPQ plus license for now to access the Omni Studio features. Second question is, what variable in a template is replaced with actual data when generating a document? First option is stamp. No. Second is badge. No. Third is voucher. No. Fourth is token. Yes. And fifth is chip. No. So using token, which we using token in a template, we can replace it with actual data while generating a document. Third question is, what has changed in the code term editor page? First option is the code term editor page uses the more secure LWC rich text editor now. Second is the code term editor page now supports more languages. Third is the code term editor page no longer supports keyboard shortcuts. And fourth is the code term editor page cannot indent more than 3 times. So first option should be the correct one. That is, we have replaced that CK editor with the LWC rich text editor now in of the LWCs. Let's come to the fourth question, that is, how do you generate a document from a web code? First is click the generate document button on the web code record. Second is click preview from the generate document page of a web code. Third is use the CPQ code object instead of the web code object. And fourth is clone the web code. So third option should be the correct one. Fifth question and the last question of this module is, a CPQ user wants the POT product to include all other parents and options in a bundle. Which percent of total scope should be used? So we want to include all other parents and options in a bundle. If you see here in the list which we have read, so we want to include bundle and other options as well. So both package and components we need to use. So both options should be the correct one. Let's check. Okay. All other parents and option. I guess all other parents, so it should be entire hierarchy, and it is correct because we are using all other parents. If it was only bundle parent, then we our option correct should be the both one, that is package and component, but it's entire hierarchy. And I hope you are done with this maintenance module of CPQ Specialist certification. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for staying tuned.